In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an icon in Elementor. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place an icon on your page and pick the perfect one from Elementor's icon library so your design looks clean, clear, and professional. Let's start inside the Elementor editor with the page you want to edit open. On the left, you'll see the Elementor panel, the toolbox where all your widgets live. In the search bar at the top of that panel, type Icon. You'll see the icon widget appear. This widget is what you'll use to place a single, scalable icon anywhere on your layout. Click and drag the icon widget from the panel over to your page. As you drag, Elementor will highlight possible drop zones, inside a section, a column, or even between existing elements, so you can place it exactly where you want it. When you release your mouse, a default placeholder icon will appear on the canvas. That's your visual cue that the widget has been added successfully and is ready to be customized. With the icon widget selected, look back to the left panel. Under the Content tab, you'll see an icon field with a small preview. Click that preview to open the icon library. This library includes a wide range of options: interface symbols, arrows, media, social brands, and more, so you can match the function or message you're conveying. Use the search bar at the top to quickly find what you need. For example, type phone, check, or arrow to narrow it down. You can also browse by category if you're not sure what to use yet. When you find the icon you like, click it to preview, then confirm to insert it. You'll immediately see your chosen icon update on the page. If it doesn't feel quite right, just open the library again and pick a different one. You can swap icons as many times as you need until it fits your design. Once your icon is in place, fine-tune it right in the same panel so it blends with your layout. Adjust size so it's readable without overwhelming nearby text. Set the color to match your brand palette and ensure strong contrast against the background for accessibility. Align it left, center, or right to keep your layout balanced. If spacing feels tight, add a bit of padding or margin from the Advanced tab to give it room to breathe. And that's it. You drag the icon widget onto the page and chose your icon from the library. With those two actions, you've added a clear, scalable visual cue that helps users navigate and understand your content.